So let me just show you how I capture those insane shots. Everything fits inside this compact case which is easy to carry. This right here is an electronic suction mount. Just clean the surface and press the red button. It will auto suck the entire air out and even refill if the pressure drops. Have a super strong grip. Next, attach the arms which comes in the kit. This mount here is specially built for DJI Pocket 3, but you also get different mounts for mobile phones and action cameras. You even get a counterweight for added stability of your shots. The key is to keep everything horizontally aligned for a smooth footage. Once rigged, you can mount it on cars, bikes, almost at any corner. It holds super strong and your gear will always be safe. Even at high speeds or at crosswinds, it holds super strong. Perfect for action cameras and even mirrorless cameras, both inside and outside of the car. For a full breakdown, check out my YouTube channel and follow for more.